So this is a beautiful story and a tragedy all in one video. Shout out here to China Observer for posting this. But starting off right away, the brand new Huawei new foldable phone, some of them are breaking day one. Some of them are breaking out of the box. And this is apparently not a new thing with Huawei's foldable displays. There was a lot of reports of them actually breaking and liquid flowing out of them. So this is, again, not really anything new. But obviously with this phone being brand new, it is. And it's a problem. And there's a lot of reports of this, which is a real big issue right now. Now, if you do have this phone and it breaks, according to one of the customers, they said that Huawei would not give them a new phone, would not repair the new phone, and said they would have to pay out of pocket for that same exact device to be repaired. So pretty much buy a brand new one. So, this is why I've said many times that I don't trust foldable cell phones. And I know a lot of people do not trust foldable cell phones because tri-foldable cell phones, excuse me, not foldable, tri-foldable, is because it's a new thing. It's a new invention. And unlike, let's say, for example, with the Z Fold series, where we have like multi-year variants of the Z Fold series, with tri-foldable cell phones, we simply don't. This is the first true tri-foldable cell phone that's successful. And it clearly is having problems because, again, the screen is cracking and breaking. Which, it's kind of one of those things. Whenever you have a first-gen product, things like that is going to happen. Things where, your first-gen products are going to have problems and defects that eventually needs to get worked out. And this is also why most of these companies do not go for these products. They don't try to go for these products because there's really such a chance of failure that there's just really no chance when it comes to tri-foldable cell phones. Double folding, like regular foldable cell phones, okay, perfect. Tri-foldable, that's where you get into some issues. Now, the second part of this, which is, again, kind of a positive story here. All the people who scalp these devices and try to sell them for double, triple, if not quadruple the price tag of these are now learning the hard way that they can't sell them anymore because the market has dropped. So they were buying them for $3,000 a piece, buying them up 5, 6, 7, 8 different copies. And now the market is dropping because of the issues with the screen breaking. People are saying the screen's breaking. People are scared about durability. So now people don't want the device. Scalpers can't sell it because the market drops. The price tag of a reselling drops. And right now, scalpers kind of got fluffed over, which I never feel bad for because they're scalpers. And I'm sorry, but scalpers, they ruin it for everyone. They ruin technology for everyone because they jack up the prices and they try to make a buck off everyone else's dime. And listen, it is what it is. So this is actually in this video. I will leave the link down below in the description. I would recommend you check it out. Kind of get the full context of everything. But as it says right here, my brother just unboxed this afternoon. And by the night, it was broken. So, again, it is what it is. Usually when you have first-gen products, you run into these problems. You really do. And when you have a first-gen type of invention here with a tri-foldable cell phone, you're also going to run into even more problems than that. But I do hope those who were affected and who bought this do somehow get their money back. I doubt they will. But, it's the nature of the game. First gen products. It's the same thing I feel like a lot of people are feeling with the Apple Vision Pro. Is they're upset about that device because that device has, it doesn't have issues. Like there's no breaking issues or they're breaking. But the issue with that device is the fact that there is nothing to do with it. There's no real actual, software that designed perfectly for it. The software is good, but it's not perfect. And also, you can't really do much with it. So, a lot of people are upset about the Apple Vision Pro as well. First gen products, you're going to have issues. Surface Duo 1, remember when that first came out? That had a crap ton of issues. I mean, that was awful when it first came out. After a couple months, they fixed the software, things got better, right? With the Surface Duo 1, though, the biggest issue was software, not hardware. There wasn't any durability issue. If anything, the hardware was probably the most amazing thing about the phone. But the software was awful. They fixed it. Are they going to be able to fix this? We'll have to wait and see. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.